Hi friends, in this lecture we will see how to create files using cat and echo commands. So as part of our previous lecture, we have seen how to create a file using touch command and how to enter the data into that particular file using VI editor. But in this lecture, we will see how to create the file by using cat and echo commands and how to enter the data into those files. Now just launch your Linux box. If you don't know how to launch your Linux box, you can watch my previous video. Now, first we will see how to create the file and how to enter the data into that particular file using cat command. So to create file by using cat, first type your command cat, then greater than symbol followed by file name. So I'm giving file name as cat underscore file.txt. Now press enter. Now we are in the editor mode where we can enter our data or text. So here let's say I'm typing here, hi, welcome to DWBIADDA videos. Now you can press enter and from keyboard press Ctrl Z. You will come back to the original screen. Now let's see whether the file is got created or not. To see the list of files, type ls-l.th. See, it just got created a file cat underscore file.txt. Now let's have a look at the data. To see the data, cat space your file name. Press enter. See, it has the data. Hi, welcome to DWBIADDA videos. What we entered while creating the file. Now, let's see how we can create the file using echo. So to create the file, just type echo from the keyboard. Now, space, provide single quotation. You just open your single quotation and close your single quotation. Then, in between these two single quotations, we have to enter the data. So here I'm entering my data as hi, welcome to DWBIADDA videos. So where we have to store this particular data? To store this data, we have to first provide a greater than symbol, then we have to provide our file name. So file name is echo underscore file.txt. Simply, this data is passing to this particular file. If the file is not available, then we will create this file. Now press enter. Now let's see whether the file is got created or not. See, just got created a file echo underscore file.txt. Now let's have a look at the data by using cat. Provide your file name. See, so whatever the data we have entered here, it is showing same set of data here. So this is how we can create the files using cat and echo commands. Thank you guys.